Welcome to day 7 of 30 Days of AI Coding Challenge. Yesterday, we added status UI in the LinkedIn Post Generator app that displays the status of the long running request that sent to the LLM function. Today, we'll focus on the theming and the layout. We need to transform the standard functional interface into a polished, branded experience using a Streamlit configuration and layout tools. Once that is done, we will have a dark mode app with a cleaner sidebar, will enable the navigation and the custom color, and that will really, we can create a more professional look and feel with these all functionality. So let's start with the demo. So you can see for the day 6, we have this app that will be the output. And what is done, what is changed in this? This is again the same LinkedIn Post Generator app, but those all configurations has been moved to the left side in the sidebar. Okay, you can see the name of the app, the configurations like tone, the count. You can just set it once and use it as many as time without worrying about changing it every time, right? Just set it once and just it will give a really cleaner version to you. Okay, so let's see what changes are there, right? So you can see first of all the dark mode is enabled. Okay, and you can see the status UI showing up that what exactly the LLM function is doing in the backend. Okay, once this is completed, the another change you would see is a generated post, this border. You see, this was not there earlier, now they have added it. Okay, rest things are almost same. So you want to understand how this was coded and you want to go deep into the code. Let's get started. We will directly go to this link and select for the day 7. Okay, and just simply copy this code, and let's suppose you are into day 6. Okay, just copy that and create a new app. And once that is ready, okay, click on duplicate, make a new app, one that is ready. So I've already created it, but let me create it new for you. Okay, a copy of this. You can give it a name day 7 and open app. Just Control A, Control V. Okay, and just click on run. So you see, it went into the sidebar, those all these settings and configurations. Okay, now you must be asking that, hey, you shown the dark mode version last time, right? But this is not. Then what is missing? Okay, so the missing part is here. If you could, the global styling and the theming, this like kind of a CSS part, this you need to copy and create a config.toml file in .streamlit folder inside your project folder and just copy paste this code. So what you need to do, just create this file, okay, just for your convenience. Yeah, so I've already created it. Okay, so you see this, it was already there actually, so let me remove it because I tried earlier in the day 6. But let's create a new file, okay, for your convenience. If I click on a new file, give the path with the file name, and you see we have a new folder with this file. Now let's copy this code from here, paste it, go back, and let's try to run and see if you see the changes and the dark mode is enabled or not. Okay, let's see quickly. We'll run that again. Okay. Okay. So let me refresh quickly. Oh, yeah. Here we go. So you see the same output that I've shown in the starting of the video, it's here. Okay, you can change the tone from here, change the word, click on generate, and it will show and do the same thing. Okay, now let's deep dive into the code. Okay, good. What are the additional thing from day 6? The additional thing is this sidebar, this piece of code. Okay, even you can get this all information in the below article as well. So what is this sidebar? So this sidebar is basically the, like, it really add the interactivity in your app with these widget. Okay, you can organize them into these all widgets, these all configurations in the sidebar, these all elements, right? So element can be passed to this st.sidebar using this with notation, or using as an object element, object notation. Okay, currently we are using in the project as with notation. We are just just with this notation, providing this function. We are just mentioning what all we want to mention in the sidebar. The title, the success means like what exactly you want to mention, that what did this app need, right? What it's this app is doing. That is kind of a description. Okay, and select box and these all things are same as our day 6, just that we kept all these items in the sidebar, st.sidebar. Cool. Rest piece of code is same. Another item, you would have remembered that I had told that the output of uh, the response, right? Now it's in the border. Okay, so that is what the container, st.container comes into picture. If we mention everything under it, it will show like a the border needs to be true in this case. Okay, rest things are same. Now this css kind of css file, this theming or styling file, it really help you to change the theme of the app. You can change the primary color, the background color, these all properties you can even change. These are the color codes. And even for the sidebar, if you want to change the different color, you can also do that. Now it's all up to you. You want to do some experiment and you want to change the theme to light or system, right? Change the color and do all testing and hands-on as per your need, right? So you have the app now, you have the code now. Let's get started with it and do your hands dirty. Okay, make sure before starting with this you complete your previous day's challenge and then start working on it. Okay, so in today's video, we learned how to transform our app into from functional to professional. This look very professional, right? You added the layout structure, you added the theming, you added the navigation, you added this border, right? And this really sets the foundation for the future UI improvements. This is Sudeep Kumar. Make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and do share with your friends. And make sure you try switching the themes and the layout and try yourself and comment done in the comment section below once you are finished with the day 7. Tomorrow, we will start something new, something a kind of a chatbot, right? The chat user UI. And in next few days, we will enhance that chatbot to make it a LLM chatbot. Okay, till then, see you. Bye bye.